Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are visiting the beautiful Hendrie Park at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Ontario, Canada. In this video, we're going to explore peaceful walking trails, colorful flowers, scenic wetlands, and the amazing natural beauty this place has to offer. If you love nature, relaxing views, and hidden gems in Ontario, then this video is perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore Hendrie Park together. Located within the Royal Botanical Gardens, Hendrie Park is a place where nature, history, and beauty come together. Surrounded by colorful flowers, quiet walking trails, and scenic wetlands, this park offers a perfect escape from busy city life. Every season brings a different kind of beauty here. Vibrant tulips in spring, lush greenery in summer, colorful leaves in autumn, and peaceful snowy landscapes in winter. The park is also home to many birds, butterflies, turtles, and other wildlife, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers. As you walk through the gardens and boardwalks, you can hear the calming sounds of birds singing and water flowing through the marshes. One of the most special parts of Hendrie Park is its connection to conservation and protecting Ontario's natural environment. Whether you come for a relaxing walk, family outing, photography session, or simply to enjoy nature, Hendrie Park offers a truly unforgettable experience. Gem near Hamilton and Burlington reminds us how beautiful and peaceful nature can be. Thank you for joining this journey through Hendrie Park. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more beautiful places with us.